In this video, I'm going to show you how to check grammar errors in Grammarly quickly and easily so you can clean up your writing and improve clarity in just a few simple steps. Whether you're writing emails, blog posts, schoolwork, or social media captions, this method helps you catch awkward sentences, grammar issues, and clarity problems faster. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful software guides. Let's jump in. First, look at the bottom right corner of your text field and click the floating Grammarly widget icon. This circular icon shows your total suggestion count, and when you click it, the main Grammarly sidebar opens on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll see all of your writing suggestions in one place. Once the sidebar is open, look at the menu tabs near the top and click on the Clarity category. This is an important step because Clarity helps Grammarly analyze sentence structure, wordiness, phrasing, and overall readability. It gives you a more advanced layer of feedback than just basic spelling and grammar checks. After selecting Clarity, go back to your document and look for the blue underlines. These underlines will appear beneath words, phrases, or full sentences that Grammarly thinks could be improved. They may highlight grammar issues, structure problems, or sentences that feel too complex or unclear. This makes it easy to spot exactly where your writing needs attention. Now, return to the right sidebar and review the Clarity cards. Click on the first card at the top of the list. Grammarly will automatically jump to the matching blue underline in your document so you can see the exact sentence being flagged. Then, click the green or bolded rewording suggestion on the card to instantly update your sentence. This is one of the fastest ways to improve your writing without manually rewriting everything yourself. As soon as you accept a fix, Grammarly will automatically move to the next available suggestion. That means you can keep working through your document one step at a time, cleaning it up in order without having to search through the text manually. Just keep clicking the top card in the sidebar, reviewing the suggestion, and accepting the best rewrite until your document looks polished and professional. If you ever want to make sure your writing sounds smoother, sounds more natural, or just reads better overall, this process is a great habit to use every time you finish a draft. It saves time, reduces mistakes, and helps you write with more confidence. And that's how you check grammar errors in Grammarly using the Clarity Suggestions panel. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and check out the next guide for more quick software tips. Thanks for watching.